Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Civo WT3130 tripod. I got it from Amazon for 899, 900 rupees, and this was the Amazon's choice with over 4,000 purchases, around 4,000 purchases done, and 4.5 stars. So this was pretty good set, and let's start. So this is the Civo WT3130 tripod, and some information has been given here. It weighs 550 grams and it can take a load of up to 3.5 kilograms. Some more dimensional information is present here. It has been imported and marketed and distributed in Civo Digital Private by Civo Digital Private Limited. And as you can see here guys, it has a high MRP of 39.90 rupees. That's a whopping amount, but on Amazon you'll get it for 900, and during festive days you might get it for even lesser. I leave the link for Amazon in the description below, and here is a barcode for the selling purpose, and it's an aluminium tripod. It goes up to 50 inches. That's how tall it is. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, wow, so there is a warranty card here for 1 year, and it's got, you should leave your feedback, and just it's a small warranty card asking you to register your product. So this is the mount for a mobile phone which you get along with it, and this is obviously the prime reason why I've purchased it. I'll be understanding how. Okay, so this, it just flexes according to the size of your phone. Pretty sturdy, well made. This is free with it. Some tripods don't give it along with the product itself. And you'll get a cover, a really well made cover inside. I think it's a good deal for 900. Let's see how the material is, how the tripod is made. Oh, durable! Wow. So this is the tripod itself, and it's got this particular hinge to it. So it's a 3-way pan head tripod, so you can move it in either of the ways. Maybe if you reduce, if you loosen this up a bit, you will be able to move it in different directions as well. See, so this is a very useful thing, that is an added advantage in this, and it opens up to this height out of the box, and obviously it's got its levers to make it even longer than that. I'll be opening it and I'll show it to you how is its full length. So this is how tall the tripod is in its full length, as you can see, and it's pretty sturdy. I like the design. I mean, it's a steal for 800 rupees, and all the the whole mechanism of it, whether it is to elongate its height, or whether even the upper portion of it obviously gets a bit of a lift once you adjust the levers. This thing can be adjusted if you are shooting a movie, moving movie, or doing it for video logging, so you can move it according to how you're going to shoot your movie, and even the upper portion of it moves accordingly. Okay, but obviously you won't, I don't think during a movie you'll require it so much, but it's like a very well made tripod for just 900 rupees. And if you could just see the material of it, the whole build quality, it's good. It's aluminium and very sturdily made. There were some reviews that some of the people had their parts broken, but mine isn't. Mine is well, it seems like it's pretty well constructed. There is this particular liquid inserted, some sort of a lubricant, probably for its levers, so that they work to the optimum the more you move them, they give that hydraulic touch to it. And for 900 rupees, this is a very worthy product. This is what I'm going to use use for my mobile phone, obviously, and I hope you enjoyed it. My opinion about this tripod is that it's really very good. You should, if you want to go for it, definitely you should go ahead and purchase it. There is no doubt that it's a very well made product, and I hope you had fun. I hope this was educational for you. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, my video, and all the best. Have a nice day.